If you have an old garage door opener or a defective garage door opener, we'll go ahead and install a new LiftMaster garage door opener. We'll put together the new garage door opener. We'll take down the old opener and install the new opener. We'll install a new wall button. We'll install a new set of sensors. We'll set all the electronics. Set the trolley arm and lubricate the shaft. Test the motor and set the travel and force limits. If you need a new LiftMaster garage door opener, give us a call, 648-1395, and we'll get it installed for you.